Hey everybody, I'm Raji. I'm a designer advocate at Figma, and this is Community Spotlight. Okay, so today we're going to take a look at 3 awesome Figma community resources to get you started on your next web, iOS, or Android design projects. But first, what is Community? Community is a hub for Figma users where you can find resources like files and plugins. There's all sorts of starter files, icon kits, all sorts of things that you can download and start your next project with and get a bit of a fast forward for it. Also, you can upload your own to share with the community. You can even follow your favorite creators to make sure you're always up to date with the projects they're creating. First up, we have Material Theming for Android 10 by Eduardo Prati. Now this is a comprehensive UI kit that contains material components in Android 10 system components, designed to be the most faithful recreation of the MDC library for Android. Now I love this kit because this kit is so well thought out. It's got tons of documentation. I don't think I've ever seen a kit this well documented. But it's also got colors, themes, typographic styles. Additionally, we've got all of the color themes, but it's not just color swatches on a screen. He's actually created variables with all these. And so these variables are all expressed as local styles, and you can actually just choose something out of a hat. But if I wanted to change that, I could actually change that to another different material design approved heading size right here in those shared styles, as well as code samples and plenty of documentation for you to start to understand how to even pull these things off in code. It gives examples of each one of those typography styles, but on the left shows you what code you might use to be able to create that headline. Super well thought out. Once again, I feel like this is the UI kit that you should start with. This is pretty amazing. Second, we've got Primer Web from GitHub. Primer Web is a Figma library of all the UI components that they've used in the github.com website. Now that may not sound like a lot or something you'd want to use, but this is exactly the thing you'd want to use in your next project. GitHub has actually created all the kinds of things that you would normally painstakingly create, like modal dialogues and popovers. And what might I do with this? Well, they've got an example right here. Hey, look, this is like a dialog box. I can put a title box, a content box, and a footer box all into a big box, and boom, I've got myself a dialog box. Buttons and icons and this and that, all these things you would waste your time on. There are a ton of buttons. And I used to always create these for myself when I was doing web design projects, which is like just cursors. It's a great way to start your next web project. They also have a little getting started guide. This is unlike a lot of the Figma community files in that they actually teach you how to publish this to the community library or publish to your team library. Last up, we have iOS and iPad OS 14 UI kit for Figma by Joey Banks. This is a UI kit for iOS 14 and iPad built in Figma to make designing for Apple devices a complete breeze. All of the elements here have been thoughtfully added, and they're named for easy instant swapping. They have constraints applied where it's appropriate, but also use auto layout in just the right spots. These are set up also with auto layout. So if you come into these components, you'll see once again our 2 little vertical bars, our little friend auto layout. If I delete this icon out, this should actually shift our layout. So right here, delete it, you'll see that that shifts, which means this is auto laid out. So you just take this file, publish it as a team library, boom, you're up and going with all the nav bars and all those things that you want to have to recreate. And then of course, all the different sizes for these title bars. Once again, I'm so used to seeing these files that just have like one, right? I'm just working with maybe like one size, but I've got all these sizes, title bars with search bars built in. Title bars with larger titles and search bars built in. I love that you can just grab this and run with it. Be sure to check out the abundance of amazing resources that are available in the Figma community. I know so many Figma members absolutely love it. Lots of great experiments, icons, illustrations, design systems, stuff to get you started. And with that, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this community spotlight. Subscribe to Figma for the latest product and community news.